In the vast expanse of the cosmos, an eternal symphony of alignment unfolds, ceaselessly conspiring to harmonize with your deepest yearnings. As you open yourself to the boundless realm of possibilities, the universe stands poised, ever ready to grant your desires. Within depths of ancient wisdom, there exists a profound proclamation by Jesus, laden with enigmatic insights that only a chosen few can fully grasp. Although it seems simple, this statement resonates with unfathomable depth, carrying deep meaning. This proclamation by Jesus can be found in Luke 11 verses 9 to 10. So I say to you, ask, and it will be given to you, seek, and you will find, knock, and it will be opened to you. For everyone who asks receives, and he who seeks finds, and to him who knocks it will be opened. These words can resonate from many different perspectives, but one that really catches our attention is that with these words, Jesus reveals the abundant nature of existence, revealing a reality where one can just voice their request and watch it materialize. However, many of us may find ourselves uttering the lament, "I have beseeched countless times, yet my desires remain unfulfilled." Such perplexity arises from an oversight, a concealed truth that eludes our limited perception. It lies within the essence of our being, for by our very nature, we possess an extraordinary power of creation. This power extends beyond the confines of our minds, encompassing the entirety of our existence. Each passing moment unfolds as a tapestry of creation, where even the most seemingly inconsequential choices become threads intricately woven into the fabric of our lives. From the garments that gracefully adorn our bodies to the symphonies that resound with transcendent beauty, every action, however grand or minuscule, holds the power to shape our individual trajectories. We find ourselves as artisans of our own reality, engaged in the divine act of crafting existence itself. Our thoughts, intentions, and actions interweave with the cosmic dance, each contributing its essence to the magnificent tapestry of life. In this interplay of creation, we discover the enigmatic key that unlocks the doorway to our desires. So, today, we will embark on a journey of deep introspection, where we will explore a peculiar perspective that stretches out before us. This revelation ignites a flame of curiosity within us, urging us to delve deeper into the enigma of our existence, to unlock the secrets of our own creative potential and walk the path to fulfillment. In the intricate tapestry of existence, the act of asking for something transcends the mere utterance of words or the fleeting thoughts that traverse our minds. It requires the summoning of our entire being, every facet of our creation, to communicate our intentions to the vast universe. To manifest our aspirations in this world, it is imperative that our surroundings reflect the very essence of what we seek to be or possess. Consider, for instance, those who yearn for material wealth. If their actions contradict the abundance they crave, a conflict arises, a dissonance between their desires and their subsequent choices. The universe responds to their heartfelt pleas, only to have them nullified by their own conflicting deeds. In navigating this enigmatic dance with the cosmos, we must contemplate several points of profound significance. Firstly, when we articulate our desires, we experience a profound sense of need reverberating within our very core. Curiously enough, this need becomes the driving force behind our request, an expression of lack that resounds throughout the universe. However, the power of gratitude surpasses that of mere requests. When we express heartfelt appreciation, we not only acknowledge our deep sense of gratitude for what we already possess, but we also cultivate a profound feeling of abundance within. This sentiment reverberates through the cosmos, drawing forth further blessings and abundance into our lives. Thus, it becomes evident that the act of stating our desires alone is woefully inadequate. It is through a deep alignment of our thoughts, intentions, and actions that we unlock the true potential to manifest our aspirations. As we navigate the intricate tapestry of existence, it becomes apparent that envious thoughts, laziness, gossip, and self-doubt act as formidable barriers, obstructing the flow of abundance. These negative ripples deny the very essence of prosperity, suffocating the seeds of growth within us. Therefore, if we harbor such thoughts and dare to ask for immense wealth, our request will remain unfulfilled. The singular thought of abundance, when weighed against a multitude of opposing thoughts, finds itself overshadowed. This creates a conflicting energy, one that hampers the realization of our desires. Regrettably, many remain unaware of this truth, trapped within the confines of their own mental constructs. When faced with a yearning to make a request, it is advisable to broaden our focus beyond the mere concept of money. Instead, let us embrace the profound concept of abundance, recognizing that money is but a symbolic representation, devoid of intrinsic necessity. By shifting our perspective, we open ourselves to a boundless array of possibilities, transcending the limitations of material wealth. In this transformative journey, we can dive deeper into the recesses of our own consciousness, unraveling the complexities of our desires and redefining the very essence of abundance. The resonance of the word abundance reverberates with immense power, encapsulating a profound and expansive perspective. At its core, it invokes the privilege of our spirit, orchestrating the symphony of existence through the vessels of our body and mind. It is through this multidimensional expression that we navigate the earthly realm, bringing forth the manifestation of abundance. To unlock its true potential, we must not confine abundance to the realm of thoughts alone. Equally vital are our actions, guided by the principles of kindness and gratitude. As we traverse this profound journey, fear must not hinder our progress. Rather, we are called to embrace the profound understanding that the universe stands poised, eager to manifest every desire within the realms of this physical world. The truth echoed in Jesus' statement endures, although not all are prepared to fully embrace its profound implications. Lingering fear casts a shadow upon its efficacy, obstructing its transformative power. When we find ourselves summoning the courage to request abundance, it is paramount that we shed the shackles of fear, doubt, envy, and feelings of insufficiency. For these emotions, when coupled with our aspirations, form a state of self-sabotage. Such contradiction within us becomes a barrier, preventing the very manifestation of the abundance we seek. Approaching the universe with trepidation and uncertainty inadvertently sends mixed signals. It signifies our lack of faith in the fulfillment of our desires. Consider this: when someone asks for abundance, yet deep within harbors a sense of unworthiness or doubts their capacity to receive, a dissonance emerges. This conflicting interplay of thoughts and emotions erects a barrier, obstructing the natural flow of abundance. It is as if they are sending a mixed message to the universe, an appeal for abundance coupled with a lack of belief in their deservingness or the actualization of their desires. Moreover, nurturing feelings of envy towards those who possess abundance can further undermine our own aspirations. Envy stems from a belief in scarcity, rooted in a mindset of insufficiency, as if there exists only a limited pool of abundance available in the world. However, the universe operates on the grand principle of infinite possibilities and boundless abundance for all. By indulging in envy, we inadvertently impede the flow of abundance that could otherwise grace our own lives. Likewise, when we feel inadequate or hold on to beliefs that we lack the necessary resources or capabilities to manifest abundance, we unwittingly reinforce a state of scarcity within ourselves. These self-imposed limitations hinder our ability to align with the universal current of abundance that perpetually courses through existence. To truly embrace the potential of abundance, we are called to embark on a journey of self-reflection and introspection. We must delve into the depths of our inner landscape, unearthing any beliefs or emotions that perpetuate a sense of unworthiness, doubt, envy, or lack. By shining a light upon these shadows, we liberate ourselves from their grip and open the floodgates for abundance to flow effortlessly into our lives. Deep within your being, there may be a self-imposed limitation, an invisible barrier that obstructs the path to full alignment with the abundant nature of the universe. This limitation may be born of a sense of lack, which reverberates in various facets of life. It manifests as a perpetual longing for more time, a thirst for opportunity, and a deep desire for meaningful connections. When we assert that the universe is forever aligned in your favor, we invoke the concept of God. In this context, God and the universe are synonymous, conveying the same profound truth: the universe, in its vastness, is eternally supportive of your journey. This perspective finds resonance as we unravel the essence of the divine, encompassing the totality of our collective existence. Our bodies pulsate with divine energy, that is, it is the very fabric through which we interact with the universe. The power of imagination transcends the bounds of time and space, operating instantaneously in the realm of possibilities. However, when this creative force takes human form, belief becomes the necessary condition. So, we must wholeheartedly embrace the reality of our imaginal acts, even when reason and our senses may seemingly contradict them. It is through unwavering faith in the inherent power of our imagination that we unlock the gates to manifestation. We must cultivate a profound trust in our imaginal creations, fostering a state of alignment between our inner visions and the external world. In this sacred dance between belief and creation, the universe responds to our steadfast conviction, orchestrating the convergence of circumstances that bring our desires to fruition. In doing so, we tap into the transformative power that lies within, paving the way for a reality that surpasses the confines of what our senses perceive. Through the embrace of faith, we traverse the ethereal bridge that connects the realm of subjective hope with the realm of objective manifestation. Within the depths of your being lies a wellspring of creative energy, a wellspring fueled by your own imagination. It is through this potent force that ideas and visions transcend the confines of abstraction and materialize as tangible manifestations in the physical realm. Yet, in the realm of refined human imagination, a condition is imposed. It requires not only the act of envisioning but also the unwavering embrace of faith. Once you convince yourself of the reality of your imaginings, a resolute conviction takes hold. In this profound state, nothing in the world can impede the manifestation of your desires. Your imagination and faith intertwine, becoming the very substances from which you project and justify the world you inhabit. Consider the simplicity of awakening each morning. When we rise from our slumber and genuinely believe in our ability to rise, it is not solely a result of physical strength. It is a testament to our unwavering faith, a deep-rooted belief that we will indeed transcend the confines of our bed and greet the new day. On the other hand, when faith in our ability to rise wavers, we remain bedridden, immobilized by doubt. It is crucial to recognize that the power of the mind alone cannot solely materialize outcomes. Rather, it is our awareness, our unwavering faith, that holds profound significance. In this realization, we must relinquish our attachment to external circumstances and place our trust in the transformative power of faith. Throughout history, we find countless examples of individuals who triumphed over poverty and adversity, forging a path to greatness by tapping into the creative power within themselves. So, why should it be different with you? We can all transcend and walk prosperous and abundant paths. Because, in the end, we are all the divine. Therefore, let us embark upon a profound inner journey, stripping away the layers of fear, cultivating unwavering faith, and aligning our thoughts, intentions, and actions with the pulsating rhythm of the cosmos. It is through this alignment, this fusion of faith and action, that we awaken the latent power within us, co-creating a reality where our desires are met with open arms. If this video resonated with you, I invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your loved ones who might benefit from this message. And don't forget to leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for watching and joining me. Take care and see you soon.